Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Motor Learning Skill for Children. Today I'll be showing you a number of activities to improve your bilateral coordination skill. Right, so let's get started.
Ball juggling. Take one ball in each hand. When the right hand ball toss up, left hand ball will be passed across to the right hand and the left hand will catch the tossed ball. Repeat the exercises for some time and then do it in the other way around. To make it easier, you use one ball. To make it challenging, you can throw the ball higher up. Rest of the sequence will remain same. Again, have a ball in each hand and juggle the ball in an alternate way without crossing path. Try doing it as many times as you can. To make it easier, you can juggle with one hand at a time. To make it challenging, you can juggle both balls at the same time and try to do it as many times as you can. Toss under the arm and catch. Keep your one arm extended in front and the other hand will slide under and toss the ball up and catch from the other side. Do it in the alternate ways. To make it easier, you can use both hands to catch the ball. Toss the ball up under the thigh and catch. Start with your right hand, toss the ball up under the right thigh and catch with the same hand. Do it for some time and then switch it to your left. To make it easier, you can use both hands to catch. Alternate under the thigh catch. Toss the ball up under the right thigh with the right hand and catch with the left hand. Do it same on the left side. To make it easier, use both hands to catch. Behind the back, cross pass and catch. Throw the ball across behind the back and catch with both hands. Do it in alternate ways and try to do it as many times as you can. One hand wall pass and catch. Start with your right hand, do it for some time and then switch it over to the left. Do it as many times as you can. To make it easier, you can do it slowly, or to make it more challenging, you can do it faster or increase the distance. Alternate hand cross pass. Pass with the right and take the rebound with the left, and pass with the left and take the rebound with the right. So do it as many times as you can. To make it more challenging, you can increase the distance or the speed. Two ball wall pass. Ball in each hand, do the wall pass simultaneously and catch with the same hand. To make it easier, only one ball will be used. Other hand without the ball will just do the movement simultaneously. Crossover. Again, one ball in each hand, starting with the right hand. Strike the ball in the right hand on the floor. At the same time, pass the ball in the left hand over to the right hand, and left hand will catch the rebound ball. Do it for some time and then switch it over to the left. To make it challenging, you can strike the ball in the target area. To make it easier, you can use only one ball. One hand dribbling. Dribble the ball with one hand at the time. Try using both hands as many times as you can. To make it more challenging, you can use obstacle to dribble through. Clap and catch. Throw the ball up and catch it after a clap. To make it challenging, you can increase the number of clap, or you can catch the ball after a clap under the thigh. Spin and catch. Toss the ball up and spin to catch it after one bounce. Do it from both sides. To make it challenging, you can catch the ball before it touches the floor. Board juggling. Use a board or book to juggle the ball and balance it on the board by tossing it high in between the juggling. You can even move around quickly by balancing the ball on the board. To make it challenging, you can juggle by flipping the board around and do it on the both side as many times as you can. To make it easier, you can do it slowly, or to make it more challenging, you can do it faster. Use the same board to bounce the ball back and forth continuously as many times as you can. To make it easier, you can do it slowly, or to make it more challenging, you can do it even faster. Wall tennis. Hit the ball to the wall by using the board and hit it back after a drop. Keep playing as long as you can. Make sure there's no chair and sofa in between you and the wall. Two ball alternate wall pass. Use two different size of ball to wall pass. As soon as the right hand throw the ball towards the wall and rebounds back, next ball will be thrown immediately. Try to keep the momentum for as long as you can. To make it easier, you can use small ball, or even you can use one ball. Ball toe tap. Alternate toe tap on the soccer ball. Do it for some time and then add a ball in hand to cross pass simultaneously. Try to do it as many times as you can. To make it easier, do it very slowly and gradually you can increase the pace. Paper cross and catch. Hold a piece of tissue paper in each hand. Toss it up and catch it with cross arm. Next, drop the tissue and try to catch it cross arm before it touches the floor. To make it easier, catch it without crossing the arm.